take out the stock rear subframe, you can no longer use the same exhaust. So you can use the front section and the back section, but you got to make intermediate pipes. So what I'm doing is I'm just fabricating 2 connection pipes to go from the front to the back that will work with the 4-link. All right, guys, I got the exhaust all fabbed up, so I'm going to show you what it looks like all installed on the car, let you hear what it sounds like. So it's pretty much going to sound like a regular Stage 4R Trackhawk because that's the exhaust configuration that we typically use. Normally we use long tube headers, high flow cats, and then we utilize the stock cat back. So with the exhaust system like this, we didn't eliminate anything. It's still running all the stock resonators, stock mufflers. So I personally think that sounds the best. It's aggressive, but not too loud, and the cabin drone isn't very bad. But you tell me what you think.
What do you got? Let me see. Let me see it. What is there?
What's this? Top left drawer. Hello?
Ready for a rematch?
Please have talk to my student.
We can rematch if you want.
Rematch.
The Nerf one?
Yeah,
When and where?
right now.
Holy shit.
Stay down, bitch.
So I'm pretty happy with the way everything turned out. We got the adjustment on all the suspension stuff really, really close. So once we put some miles on it, everything settles, we'll go ahead and do the very ending final alignment stuff. And we are waiting on for wheels and tires to come in. That, like everything else, is back ordered for a while now. So we're gonna go ahead and get it on the road with the stock wheels and tires and just start getting some miles on it. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out and with the way it looks. Super functional. The car handles really, really well. So we're waiting on some wheels and tires to come in. Obviously, the traction is going to be limited with the tires we have on there now, but I wanted to go ahead and get it installed, get the exhaust all fabricated, made up, and get the alignment all set up so it's ready for 4-wheel alignment and really get the arms dialed in. So once we do that, put the wheels, the car will be ready to go back to the customer. But as you can see, I think the exhaust turned out really good. And I personally like the way the stock exhaust sounds with headers and high flow cats. So hope you like it. If you see anything in the video you want explanation on, or you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments and they'll get back and maybe we'll do like a Q&A and hopefully I can address any of those questions. So see you guys later.